So here we are beginning with the main thing, government and competition services. Plan your career. The students for 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th, this is a very basic thing to have a career guidance and counseling session with us for Rajasthan State and the Civil Services Examination. हमसे भी पहले जितने भी पैनलिस्ट आए उन्होंने ऑलमोस्ट सभी चीज़ों के बारे में डिटेल में बता दिया है फॉर सिविल सर्विसेज एंड एसएससी. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट फॉर आवर स्टूडेंट्स. The first thing is move ahead. To find out your hidden talent and to secure an opportunity to do it is the key to success. Means students have to find their talent, their goal, which they have to pursue. While pursuing for their academic, prepare yourself for Indian Services Examination as well as for RPSC, Rajasthan State Public Service Commission. What are the basic qualification, educational qualification required for state and union civil services exam? Graduation in any stream, either in humanities, science, or commerce. And for the group B, C, and D examination, for group B, 12th, C, 12th, and D, 10th class. It's for the state examination. It's a minimum qualification. Let's move to the next slide. These are the main exams to be conducted by the RPSC. There are others professional exams also, but these are the exams to be desired by the student first. Rajasthan Police Constable, LDC, Police Sub Inspector, Rajasthan Judiciary Services, which is required special qualification, graduation plus LLB. Rajasthan Administrative Services, which only require graduation in any stream, Junior Legal Officer, school lecturer for the first grade, graduation plus B.Ed, Bachelor in Education, second and third grade teacher, graduation plus B.Ed. What are the syllabus for all these examination? Guys, just chill out and just look at the basic thing. If you are concerning toward the Rajasthan State Services, so Rajasthan's current GK and the current affairs, which you thoroughly go from the newspapers and the different magazines, you must have a basic knowledge of Hindi and English. Next, history of India and the world, political of India and the Rajasthan administration, geography, economics, science, maths, and reasoning. These are the basic criteria which you have to fulfill. You have to go from your basics. What are the syllabus for the special services, Rajasthan Judiciary Services and Junior Legal Officer, some criminal and civil subject, which you have to go through it if you are opting for the RJS. How to prepare? Students, the best way to prepare for civil services or the state service of Rajasthan is go with the NCERT books. It means if you are a student of 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th or 12th, you are studying NCERT books, go with them, revise them thoroughly, put all the points in your mind and grab the knowledge and prepare yourself, build up a best golden future for yourself. The golden rule to start the preparation of these exams is to stick on to basics. Means you no need to go on the higher level or go in anything special. Just be with your NCERT books, prepare them and get ready yourself. What are the other sources if you are preparing for civil service or state services? The first is NCERT books. They are the main motto. You have to go with them. The second one is reference book. Educational institution, either your college, school, or any specialized institution. You can use internet as your medium to gain the knowledge. Newspapers and magazines which were available in the market, having the knowledge of current situation in the country, economy, and the world. News journal which were published by the print media and the electronic media. And the very last for the civil services, India Yearbook, which contain all the knowledge about the India and the world. Thank you for watching. This is a short and sweet presentation by Mohsen Abbasi. Thank you.